Three there, one there. Oh my gosh, four.
The only thing protecting us are these two elephants. This is extremely rare. Wow. We're Aubrey and Danielle. In 2016, we got married and decided that we love to take adventures, not just vacations. This year, we went to Nepal to hike Everest Base Camp. This is our story.
Oh, jeez, oh man. Hey. Oh my lord.
Cheesy dad jokes brought to you by Aubrey.
So if you're staying in Nepal and Kathmandu, you need to come here and you need to meet this wonderful woman. She was great.
Thank you so
Yes.
much, ma'am. Thank you. It's up. It's up. Sweet. We're headed to Chitwan National Park.
We're gonna see some rhino.
This begins the segment of our video where Aubrey tries to pronounce things.
Bharatpur. 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 Bharatpur.
Bharatpur. 175. 170. 175. Yes.
We're about to board a flight to Bharatpur, which I might be saying wrong. We're headed to Chitwan National Park. We're gonna stay at Tiger Tops and hopefully get to hug an elephant.
This is what they call Nepali time. We're over an hour late.
We just got off the plane and landed in Bharatpur, and a representative from Tiger Tops actually met us at the gate, took our bags. They even gave us ice cold Coca-Colas in a glass bottle, which doesn't get any better than that. And so we have about an hour drive until we get to Tiger Tops. So we're just gonna sit and enjoy all the chaos that is driving in Nepal. This drive to Chitwan was one of my favorite experiences this whole trip, and here's why. Traveling shakes your brain awake and enhances all of your senses. The sights, the smells, the sounds. Everything's new and exciting. Treats keep on coming. We just stopped at a little corn stand. It's wrapped in someone's homework. Delicious. Is it good? It's chewy, but the flavor is good.
Don't want to end up in a hospital.
Did you catch that? She said she didn't want to end up in the hospital, and that was some foreshadowing. We end up going on a food tour that would put Aubrey in the hospital for 3 days once we arrived back home in the States.
Up. So we drove about an hour from the Bharatpur airport. We are here at Tiger Tops, walking down a dirt road towards our lodge. The manager just gave us a small briefing on the grounds here. Nonchalantly, he says at night, make sure you take your torches with you because there's wild boar, wild jackal, leopard, and panther that can roam around these parts, so to make sure to take your torch with you for dinner and coming back from dinner. And we're like, oh, okay. So this is our home for the next 2 nights. There's a bathroom in the back, which you don't even have to leave the tent for. Lifestyles of the rich and the God, sweetie.
Dear Miss Aubrey and Danielle, welcome. This is like the nicest bathroom.
That is nice.
Big old Western toilet. We'll have toilet paper for days.
Check out the shower. It's like a spa.
How nice is this?
Yeah. Oh, that's the water for pressure.
So we are about to go on a jungle safari walk and we will walk with elephants, and the tigers are afraid of elephants. Although the manager here said it's very rare to see a tiger because they stay near the water, but there are tons of water sources, so we might get lucky and see one, but we might not.
I want to give a hug.
If you're planning a trip to Asia and want to experience the wildlife, please choose wisely. After much research, we landed on tiger tops simply because of their ethical treatment of the elephants. Pro tip, never, ever ride an elephant. The elephants here at Tiger Tops have room to roam and play. During our stay, we even met a young scientist who was spending her summer studying the elephants' intelligence levels and happiness.
Very beautiful.
Wow.
Bright blue back.
Yes, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can we say
Matuli.
hi?
Sure, you can.
Yeah.
And she's really friendly. You can pet her trunk.
Okay.
Just say hello and pet the trunk.
Okay, should I put my hand like this?
Like you know, you are shaking your hand with like this.
You're not gonna stomp us?
Like this.
Hi.
You can pet like this.
Hi. You are so nice. Look at her eyes. Hi, sweetie. Oh my gosh. Hi. Wow. You are so beautiful. Huh? Can I say hi to you? Hi. Gosh, you're beautiful.
It's like prehistoric to be this close.
Yes. They're scary.
She can lift up 1,500 kilograms through the trunk easily.
Wow.
And handlers, they ride on the elephant through the trunk. They hold
These beautiful creatures are incredibly intelligent. They have extraordinary memories, they comfort one another when they're distressed, and elephants can even understand human body language.
This is a right for footprint. Yeah.
Huh.
And female tiger's pad, it is always below 9 centimeters.
3 of them there. 3 there, 1 there. Oh my gosh, 4. Come see that. They are also aggressive. Just follow my advice.
There are 4 rhinos.
Chance to see things.
What if they charge at us? What do we do?
I will tell you that. So if they come to charge, we should hide behind the elephant.
He was trying to charge us. They run very fast.
I'm here. Just relax and keep taking pictures.
Okay, here she comes.
Elephant will pass.
If we were to run,
Stay very still. She's worried. She's female. She's also female. He's not. She's not male. Yeah. If we are, by foot without elephant, it is too close. It is too dangerous.
Yeah.
They run very fast.
This is incredible. That's a wild rhinoceros. Wild. And it wants to charge us, but it won't because of the elephants. And we keep standing here. She's backing up.
Retreating.
They don't seem to be concerned. We almost got charged by a female rhino, but the elephants protected us. It was awesome. Thank you for protecting us. The only thing protecting us are these two elephants. This is extremely rare to see not just one rhino, but 4 rhinos.
Generally, rhino are solitary animal, but sometimes we can see small class of female grazing in same spot like now. Bull are or male are more solitary than the female, and she has got baby. She is protecting her baby. We heard, she was trying to charge, to the other in order to keep her away.
To feed her something. It's caramel.
Aubrey, what are you feeding?
Oh, where there's original. I'm gonna feed her a piece of candy because she doesn't like my ground.
You can put there, yeah. She will have.
She like
No, she don't like.
Oh, she's pissed.
forget there were rhinos.
Chocolate. Oh, look, she found the chocolate and passed it to the handler. Handler, it is not for me, you can have it. Yeah, it is for you. Yeah.
That's so sweet.
अब यतैबाट फर्किँदा है अलि पछाडि गएर
You gonna eat it?
See, she doesn't.
उठ्ने पछाडि जाम.
She ate it. She likes the withers. Three rhinos up close encounter. Elephant saved us. I love elephants. I'm getting an elephant tattoo. That was awesome. That was awesome. Best part of the trip.
Incredible. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. That was an awesome trip.
They're quite different. They have really thin and long snout. And there are lots of predators. Grey monitor lizard is the top predator of
A lizard?
yeah, grey monitor lizard is the top.
We are back in our tent, and I cannot stop thinking about how awesome that experience was. Any expectations that we've had have been completely blown away. The guide said to see 4 rhinos at once, and the only thing that was protecting us from being charged by 2 different rhinos was the 2 elephants, and they are so amazing and majestic. It was an awesome experience.
What a perfect way to end this amazing day. We had a once-in-a-lifetime experience. They said that we were extremely lucky to see, again, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 rhinos. They were charging at each other, and the one tried to charge at us twice. The elephants were beautiful and sweet and kind. We were learning so much about the land here and the plants and the trees and the birds, and to come back here, this lodge is so nice and so clean, and the service is so friendly. They came before dinner, you get a bunch of snacks, there's a full bar, they'd even make you a Manhattan, but we decided to sit down with a Namaste beer, and they served us warm almonds and freshly roasted popcorn. Awesome end to an awesome day.
Get it! Oh my god. Get it. Get it out of here.
This is called roughing it, I guess.
Wait, let me see.
Little hoppers. They're crickets. That's good luck.
Get it out.
Is that another one?
Oh my god.
You're being ridiculous. Are there any more? Do you see any more?
Babe, get him.
Stop.
Babe. Get him.
Do you see any more?
Not for now, but when I do, I'll let you know.
All right. Where'd they all go?
Go outside.